Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and you can say it's a unique idea of giving some handmade customized gifts to your loved ones, to your girlfriends. All of these designs ideas are totally for jewelry, pendants, necklace, earrings, bracelets, rings, and not only this, you can also make very beautiful hand embroidered buttons, and as well you can also design these ideas onto your face mask for keeping yourselves protected from smoke, winter, and severe type of weather conditions and acute type of allergy and breathing problems. So before dragging the topic into detail, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, on my channel I do my best on daily basis to share amazing, stylish, creative, artistic, and everyday latest trendy fashion ideas with you, and my most of the times purpose is to share ideas in the form of images and with a very beautiful blend of my opinions and suggestions. So if you want to share your views, if you want me to share some ideas related to your choice and interest, then do leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you. And my channel is the best platform for you to get ideas related to hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, applique design ideas, gutta work, mirror work, fabric painting, and many more creative and artistic design ideas as well. So stay tuned and share my videos massively with your friends and family. And if you are a embroidery beginner and you want to give some beautiful customized gift to your loved ones, then please do try my patterns and share your experience in the comments that how was your design and what you made. And if we talk about the stitches, then these are very easy, simple, and basic embroidery stitches like French knot, stem stitch, chain stitch, and many more simple and easy creative embroidery stitches. You also can get very beautiful design ideas of dresses, tops, shirts, hand knitted sweaters, cardigans, and many more creativities by subscribing my channel and watching my videos on daily basis. So allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all amazing, stylish, and mesmerizing ideas. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Fi Imanillah. Meet you soon with some new content ideas.